So in this video I'm going to talk about tangents and ellipses. So a tangent is basically a line which touches the ellipse at one point. So it's very similar to a tangent to a circle, which also touches a circle at one point. So we can see here, this is obviously our ellipse here, and this is our tangent here. And the tangent touched the ellipse at this point here. So no matter where I move this around, we can see that the tangent is only touching the ellipse at one point. No matter where I move the circle, or the tangent rather, around the ellipse. So the next thing is this line here, and this is called our normal. And the normal is always 90 degrees to our tangent. So we can see that this line here and this line here are 90 degrees, and no matter where I move this around the ellipse, we can see that it's still 90 degrees. And this will apply no matter what point in the ellipse we have, or whereabouts the tangent is in the ellipse. So the next thing about this is the focal points. So we can see here, this is focal point 1 and this is focal point 2. Now if I draw a line from either focal point, this will work from this side either, but I'm just going to demonstrate from this side for handliness sake. So if I draw this line here perpendicular to the tangent, so you can see it from here to here, and if I mirror that line about this, so that this distance here is equal to this distance here, and at 90 degrees, we get this point here. And if I draw from this point here through my tangent, or my point in the curve where the tangent is where the tangent touches the ellipse, and I continue this on out to where across the major axis, this will give me my second focal point. Now as I said, this can work, if this was this side, it will work the same way, that I just draw a line out through my tangent, and as long as it's 90 degrees and the two distances are equal, and I draw it back through my point, this will give me my my second focal point. So that's really about tangents and to ellipses and the normals.